Hey guys, I'm here to talk to you today about a app that is great for starting in stock trading if you're just getting into it, or you're actually looking for an app that has commission-free trades and isn't going to charge you fees every time you make a trade. Um, you'll want to look at this app. The app is called Robinhood, and you can download it on the App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on what kind of device you have. And it's very simple to use. You sign up, you make a free account. You do have to put in your personal information, obviously, for um, the purposes of your bank account and to set up your funding for it. But it's very secure, very easy to use, and it's, like I said, it's free, other than obviously you're going to have to put in some money to invest in your stock. But if you know anything about stock trading, normally when you use a stockbroker, they charge you a certain fee per share or per trade. It can go anywhere from, I've seen, $3.95 a trade to $10 a trade. It depends, and I know there's advantages of that. But if you're looking just to get into it, just start learning, and just to kind of like put a little bit of money just to see, how you do, or start, trying to learn how to invest, this might be a good option for you rather than paying all those fees. Um, Also, like I said, you don't have to be a beginner. If you just want to use commission-free trading, you can use this app as well. Now, being a beginner myself, last year I got into this, and I I just started with $50. That's really all the money I wanted to risk at the time, and had to risk. So uh, at that time, I put in $50 and just bought a couple smaller stocks here and there and some companies, and actually ended up making about $175 on it in a few months, just because the one company really grew quickly, and I ended up selling a stock and made some money off of it. But so I look to do a lot more with it this year, and I've been like researching and learning how to uh, do more with stock trading and how to make more money with it. And I hope to do a lot better this year with the trading and be more involved with it, so I can build a bigger stock portfolio. But anyhow, the app itself is simple to use. Like I said, you put in your banking information, you set up your account, and it's all based on your phone. And you can check it any time of the day. It does have real-time stock charts, which are a little bit delayed. I would suggest using a different app for uh, getting market prices before you trade, um, in Robinhood. Or if you're online, you can use some different websites. I actually use one called tradingview.com, and to view the stock tickers and currently what's going on in the stock market. And obviously, if you want to join some stock chats or stock groups on the social medias, that'll definitely help you too, with knowing what's going on in the stock market. And just pay attention to the news. I mean, everything in the news that happens will affect the stock market pretty much. So, uh, like I said again, the name of the app is called Robinhood, and I'm going to actually put a link down below here for with my referral code, because if you sign up today with my referral code, you get a free share of stock. Um, that and I also get one too. So for referring you, so we both make out pretty well with that. I mean, a share of stock is a share of stock, but there's a 1 in 150 chance, it says, of you getting Facebook, Apple, Microsoft, Ford, Snap, or AMD stock, which that's supposed to be the higher value stocks. When those are certainly expensive stocks to have. Um, and then if you don't get one of those, you're definitely at least going to get one share of something. And hey, it's free stock. I mean, it's free. Why not? So if if you use my referral code, I definitely would appreciate it if you sign up. Just using that, we'll both get our share of stock, and then you can get started. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. I'll try to help you out with it. I won't give you advice on what to buy and what not to buy. I'm not the person to ask, but and I don't want to be responsible. It's your money. You do with your money what you want. You put in whatever money you decide to put in. I always tell people, don't put in more money than what you can risk. If it's like going to the casino. If you don't have $100 to lose, don't go there with $100. Don't put it in. Just put in what you can afford to lose, because hopefully you'll make it back, and hopefully you'll make a lot more money with it, and you'll double, triple, quadruple, 10 times your investment. That's the goal. But you can also lose money too in the stock market. Nothing's guaranteed. But yeah, go download Robinhood today. Subscribe to the channel. Comment below if you have any questions or have any suggestions on future videos. Always just trying to make these videos to give you, some ideas and help you guys out. Appreciate you watching. Have a great day.